Ooh. Okay.
Hey everyone, Jake in here from Pavlon Russi's, and I'm here at HQ today because our PNR caps have finally landed. These are great. I've been wearing this around today. It's very comfortable. It's 100% ethically sourced and traceable cotton. It's got a fastener on the back, which is nice, and it works well. It's not one of those cheapy plastic snaps or the Velcro that we all hate so much. And it's one size fits all, so it's a great cap. Now I'm here today because I want to go grab a couple of our staff and I want to get them to try something a little fun. I've been watching this video on YouTube by Dietrich, and he shows you how to do some hat tricks. I want to get one of our staff to do each of these tricks and see if they can pull it off to celebrate the release of our new cap. Let's go find them. All right, here we have Chris. Chris is the man. What are you up to, Chris?
Packing some stuff, retail.
Packing some subscription boxes. So you make the people happy?
I try to.
You do, mate. You bring smiles. You're like Santa Claus. All right, are you up for a bit of a challenge, Chris?
I'm definitely up for a challenge.
Let's go, bud. Let's do it.
Do that first. Hat comes up like this. Oh, yeah, boy. You're gonna bring your hand up like this. Boom! And that's how you do the hat.
Oh my god. Oh, very nice. Is that okay?
That looks good. Man, you do look good with the hat.
That's the hardest one. I'll get it. Don't worry about that. I definitely give up. Yes,
right.
It's over.
I mean, it still looks great. Hey! All right, here's Lauren, working hard.
Yeah.
Lauren is head of client support, is that right? So what does that mean you do?
I head up our client support team and also assist in e-commerce strategies.
So that means basically if you've got a complaint, Lauren will help you out. Or a compliment.
Yeah.
We
please
love compliments. Take lots of those. Anyway, Lauren, are you up for a challenge?
Yes.
No, say it confidently. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Are you up for a challenge?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
We're gonna learn how to do this move.
Oh, okay.
Slide your middle finger right behind the brim.
Okay.
And you're gonna lock
It looks easy,
this side. You can do it without looking.
but I'm gonna butcher it. Oh, they're sexy as. I love them. Now I don't remember where the pinky finger was. Maybe it was like this. And then you go. Oh!
That was way too easy. All right, so here's Nick working hard. Nick, what do you do here, buddy?
Hey, I'm a packing coordinator.
Nice. And you're a hat man.
Yes, I am.
Can I use you for a bit of a challenge?
I think you could.
All right, let's go, buddy.
Let's do this.
I go whoop, and here's go whoop. Oh my gosh, look at that!
Okay.
The hat naturally comes up.
Doesn't
Gotta
look
give it
hard.
More of an illusion.
Very simple.
All right.
I'm about that.
Minimal's good.
Minimalistic, yeah. Wow, I don't need the other hat anymore. This is the only hat I need. Hold on, you ready?
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Ooh!
You're a natural one.
Yeah? Not hard?
Thanks,
Awesome.
mate. Enjoy the hat.
Thank you. Thanks.
All right, well, that was a good bit of fun. If you want to purchase one of these hats, you can click the link in the description. Otherwise, we hope you subscribe for more videos like this or tips and tricks on how to drink better coffee. Peace out. We'll see you next time.